It's a cool morning in Flagler County, but Beaver Toyota is about to warm things up as we head out on prize patrol to award some very deserving teacher grants. These teachers are going to be able to use these grants to make their classrooms even more amazing. We have got a full day today, so we better get started.
We're going to use them to buy stand-up desks so everybody can learn in the best way possible for them and be flexible, have some fidgets, and some lap desks.
That's awesome.
Hey, that's so great. Beaver Toyota!
$2,250.
Wow.
Can you tell us what you're going to do with this money?
We haven't gotten to do any Shakespeare, so this money is going to let us do Romeo and Juliet with these kids on this stage.
Beaver Toyota!
For that. So I'm ordering a class set of blazers for my students.
Nice! That's amazing! How are you? Oh, I'm so good to see you.
To raise funds for to send home to their families in Ukraine. I believe in learning with games and having fun, and so there are some game curriculum for business and careers that we are going to do.
We're here to present your teacher with a Beaver Toyota grant of $1,500. Can you give her a round of applause? Yeah. Yes.
These will help with funds for my students to teach them about the world.
And so we're going to use this money to improve our physical fitness area out there in the Raiders training area. So we're going to build a climbing wall. We're going to build a gaga ball pit. We're going to build some low call areas. So we're super excited about this. Beaver Toyota!
So my idea is try to reduce the amount of technology and TV watching. So we're going to do a No Tech Tuesday.
Hello! And we're going to give your teacher some money today. Thank you. Yeah, Gates Child. I'm going to bring home a literacy adventure package that has a book, a writing journal, and some color pencils so they can continue learning at home. Yeah! Your Beaver Toyota grant.
This will give us enough sets that each classroom can have their own.
Beaver Toyota!
Oh, I'm so excited! Whole class set of ukuleles.
Woo!
So exciting!
We're going to buy skates for the skateboarding.
Yes!
So this is for our Eco Buddy Club that's after school. Meets on Tuesday if anybody wants to join us.
Beaver Toyota! What you're going to do with this $2,000?
So this is for our ESOL events, our holidays around the world where we celebrate our kids and where they come from. So, yeah.
Yay, that's awesome! Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. We have a grant here for $761.59. Continue. And $2,000. So you got two.
We're going to go outside. We're going to have elevated flower beds so it's easier so they don't have to bend down so much.
Thank you, Beaver Toyota.
Thank you.
I will be buying probably 7 to 10 cameras and lenses and for this class, which happens to be the right class.
So the plan is to get more equipment so that we can get all of you certified in CPR so that I can do your certification also.
Well, this is to get more of these amazing NumWorks calculators. Hey, thank you, Beaver. Thank you, Beaver.
I'm going to have the students write and illustrate their own book, and they will have a published book in their hands by the end of the school year.
So it's going to just continue to add to our habitat and some of the other things here.
And just encourage the kiddos to really love to read and hopefully motivate them more. So
congratulations!
I'm here. These fine folks at Beaver Toyota just gave us a grant to get new keyboards. Isn't that so exciting? So now we can all have the same keyboards. Beaver Toyota!